Apple is paying Google $1 billion to fix Siri. And honestly, it might work this time. So you'd never expect Apple and Google to get together, but they are. So what's up everybody? This is Holt Inspired here. I talk about AI, tech, the news, self-help, everything like that. So if you're interested, make sure to subscribe. But let's continue with this video. So Siri has been a joke for years, like we all know. You can ask Siri something and half the time it's like, here's what I found on the web, or open ChatGPT assistant actually understands you, and Siri is still out here struggling with basic questions. So comment down below if you have Siri problems as well. And Apple finally did something about it. And what they did is they called Google up. According to Bloomberg, Apple is paying Google roughly around $1 billion per year for a custom version of Gemini. That's Google's most powerful AI model to run on Apple's private cloud compute servers, dedicated servers. Custom model, this isn't like when they added ChatGPT as an option. This is Gemini being baked into Siri at the foundational level. And this is coming with iOS 26.4 later this year. So what actually changes, Gemini powered features are coming to Safari, Spotlight, Search, and Siri itself. Think of it this way. Instead of Siri just hearing your words and matching them to command, Siri will actually understand what you mean. Context, follow-up questions, personalized responses based on your stuff. Imagine you're saying, what was that restaurant my friend recommended me last week? And Siri actually knowing what you're talking about because it understands your messages, your history, and your context. That's the difference. Now, this may sound scary, but think about how much time this is gonna save you. Yes, AI is getting crazy and it knows everything about our life. But isn't that a good thing? In my opinion, at least, because now you can remember stuff. You basically just save time. You start controlling your life, controlling you. That's my take on it. Comment your take. But Apple is still running all of this through their own private cloud compute infrastructure. So your data does not go to Google servers. Google built a custom model. Apple runs it on their own hardware. So the privacy angle is still there. And Apple is probably one of the most private servers available as well. Now, here's why I think this is a bigger deal than people realize. AI is becoming the interface for everything. Like the way you interact with your phone is fundamentally changing. And Apple knew they couldn't build this alone. And as you know, Apple Intelligence jokes were a joke because they haven't done anything in the AI space. So they have to outsource it to Google. And Google has a lot of data. So this is actually really exciting that we can actually start to use Siri to our advantage. Instead of Apple saying Apple Intelligence this, they haven't really done anything, in my opinion. Comment if you use Apple Intelligence at all, because I haven't seen much. So Gemini coming to Siri, and Gemini is one of the best models, and having it now on your phone, that's awesome. So if you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on everything and tech related and AI, comment down below and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.